Hello everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you a trick on how to display just one name on Facebook. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need an app. Head over to your Play Store. Search for VPN Indonesia and hit that install button. Once being installed, open the app and simply click Connect. This will set up our VPN. Now, let's head to Facebook. Notice the three lines on the top right corner. Tap that. Scroll down, find and tap Settings and Privacy. And then Settings. Navigate to Personal Details. From here, tap on your profile. Then Name. So, here's the trick. Delete your last name. If the review change button is grayed out, just tap the last name field and hit the space bar. Magically, it will now be active. Click Review Change. Then, confirm by selecting Save Changes. And there you have it, a single name on Facebook. So, that's all for today. Thanks for joining today's quick guide. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!